Now watch. That's what stains your lips when you eat the strawberries. Catskills, we're in the Hudson Valley. We have the sweetest fruit because we have hot days and cool nights. We're just getting to the peak and crescendo of strawberry season. 4th of July is usually the peak and the end, so if you want to get your local strawberries, get them now. There will be TriStar strawberries, which are the ones that ripen slowly all summer, which are delicious, but these are the good ones. So we're going to make 3 dishes today with strawberries. 2 of them are going to be savory, and 1 of them is going to be sweet. Okay? So the first thing I want to do is show you one of my philosophies of strawberries. So local strawberries are much smaller than those big fat California strawberries that are usually white in the middle and not very delicious. These are amazing. The thing is, one of the great things about strawberry is the texture. And I find that people cut them so thin, you don't get that, like, when you bite down, the juices explode in your mouth. It's fantastic. So for me, I look at a strawberry, if it's a little bit bigger than my thumb, I'll probably cut it in half. And if it's a little guy like this, I'm going to leave it whole because I like that explosion of flavor. Now this is a really big one, so what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to quarter it. But most of all, I want to have mouthfeel, texture, so good. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make strawberries for a dessert, for ice cream. And the way we're going to do that is very simple. I have behind me here, there it is. I have behind me here about 1.25 cups of water. I mean, a cup of water, maybe 1.25 cups. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to give it a stir to make the sugar melt. And I'm going to put in something to make perfume on the strawberries. Because strawberries can be tart, and for dessert you want them sweet, so a little sugar is good. I'm going to add a couple of bay leaves to this. You can also add basil, but we're using it in another dish. So we're going to add a couple of bay leaves to my syrup. I'm going to give them a stir. You can take a look in there. I'm just going to dissolve the sugar and let that sit for a couple of minutes till it cools down a bit. I'm going to use that to macerate some strawberries for ice cream. The bay leaves are going to blow your mind. This is our little fun Bayleaf simple syrup that I made. These are chunky diced strawberries. So what we're going to do here, we want this to be still warm but not screaming hot, okay? So that's what this is here. And if you can see, it's got a little syrupy consistency, but it's not super thick. I'm going to pour it right over my strawberries with the bay leaves. And these you can make a lot of and put in the fridge. The berries will get soft and tender, but they'll be delicious. Now I made this batch last night anticipating today's excitement. So let me show you what we're going to do. I have Adirondack Creamery ice cream. There are lots of great local ice creams around. I happen to catch this one, so this is what we're going to use. And I'm going to show you a really cool, delicious dessert. Make your friends and family happy with strawberries, slightly scented with bay leaves. Now you can use vanilla ice cream, which is a really good idea. I don't love it on chocolate, but you could. You don't need really fancy ice cream, but coffee ice cream and strawberry syrup is one of the great gifts of mankind. So I'm going to do a couple of nice canals of ice cream here so they look pretty. I'm going to take my cooled strawberries from yesterday. See what happens? Look at that syrup. How bright red that syrup is. That syrup is so amazing. If you're making strawberry shortcake, do this to your strawberries. You get this little syrup. Now watch. That's what stains your lips when you eat the strawberries. You spoon that right on there. Adirondack coffee ice cream. Strawberries and bay leaf syrup. I am Rick Orlando. You can visit me at rickorlando.com. You can have a great day, stay safe, enjoy your ice cream.